Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can speed up your videos in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. The first method I'm going to be showing you, we need to go into the edit window, and we want to select the clip that we want to alter. Now, you need to go into the inspector. Once it's selected, go into video and go into speed change. Just click on it to expand it, and here you can enter the speed percent of the speed that you want. For example, I want to speed this up to 150%. I'll just type that, and that's going to speed everything up. It's going to shorten the video a bit, but if I play it, as you can see now, it is at 150% speed, and I can just reset this to its original speed, and as you can see now, it is back to how it used to be. And this is a bit of a worse method, since it might cut out certain parts of your video. If you want to do this in a better way, what you can do is right click on the video, click on retime controls, and that's going to open up the speed change controls. Here you can change the speed by clicking on the arrow and going to change speed and selecting the speed you want. For example, 150%. As you can see, it collapsed it, and now it is faster about 1.5 times. As you can see, it is now a faster video. You can also reset this by clicking reset to 100, and you can put your cursor over wherever you want. Click the arrow and add speed points. If you want to speed up certain parts of your video, you can just do that, and then select the arrow under the part that you actually want to change, and then change the speed to, this time I'll do it in 2 times speed. And as you can see, if I play it, it's going to go normally, and when it gets to that, it's going to be very fast, and then it's going to slow down again. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.